Hello? Huh? Hello? A rare starting student screen mint. Wow! Super rare! Hi. Hi. I knew I had to start earlier today. Oh, gee, she speaks Norway! I knew I had to start earlier today because we have a special celebration that we need to pop into after today's swim. Hello. So, I'm just here now. We can start here for a bit though. Just yapping. Hi. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Small Slug. Hi, Etioski. Hi, Hershey. Hi, Night Parade. Hello. Hi, Rai. Hi, Kyle. Only 24 hours left. No. It is what it is. It has to be what it has to be. Unfortunately, but also, because today and tomorrow have to be short days, we are going all the way until Monday. Bum. Do. I have to get some stuff set up here. Okay. Hi, Elma. do. I'm gonna get some stuff set up on starting soon. I'm not starting the timer yet, just cause we're just chilling. We're chilling. Hi, Chaos. Bum. Hello, Tra. Hello. Good morning. Hiya. Kaka. Hi, Maiden. Hi, Moji. Hello. She casually got bonked with the bread and did not care. I'm wearing a helmet. Why else do you think I'm wearing this big old helmet? For safety. Hi, Mintmai. When you say that, it makes me sound like I'm mayonnaise. I meant mayo. And happy birthday again, Lexus. Did you guys know it's Lexus's birthday? It's Lexus's birthday. Yippee! It's her birthday. Ha. Alrighty. Bum. Let's see. Bum. Hi, Kazu. Hi, DQ. Yippee. Thank you, Kyle. It is very important. Smile. Very important that you follow Lexus. Hi, Baker Lady. Hello. What the heck, Kyler? He's just doing his job. Also known as reading my mind and plugging my friends. Today's your birthday! And I know it's also a special day for other reasons, so that's super exciting. I forgot to tweet that I was live, guys. It's fine, right? It's fine. Shit! Moji! Ain't no way. Mo BB! What? Nothing at all. Just I'm running on 30 minutes of sleep, but I'm having a blast at the air show. Oh my gosh, let's go! I hope you're having a great time, Kaju. Twitch is like, oh, don't worry, Caitlin. I can see the big 0 behind the 3. Don't you worry. I'll fill in the rest of the streak myself. Okay, cool. Excuse me. I'm still just waking up, guys. I couldn't sleep last night because I had a tummy ache. I had a stomach ache, and so I was like up for, I don't know how long I was up. I feel like I woke up at some point in the middle of the night and my stomach hurt until like 6 in the morning. But then I went back to sleep, and so I woke up again at 9 and I was like, it's too early for this. But I was like, well, I'm on a stream. I want to stream. Oh, you have a burp counter? I do. I've burped a lot. I burp a lot on stream. It just happens when I drink water and I'm talking. But yeah, my tummy was being frustrating, and I was also like, well, it's my fault for eating chips last night. My fault for specifically eating chips with my ranch bacon dip. You never heard me burp before today? Ah, that was a weak one then. I've had like really good ones. Hi, Panda. Yeah, I've had really good ones. Hi, QB. Hello, Cortania. Oh my gosh, it's been a while. It's been too long here. We can go over here now. Shame difference, eh? You guys are like, there's nothing different about being here, huh? Compared to before. But now I can have hands. I guess I could have had hands there, but she had an awesome, powerful one like 2 days ago. Oh yeah, I had one that like rumbled within. I'm going to be honest, I'm very eepy. Oh, me too. Me too. I hope everyone's feeling all right this morning. Good midnight morning. What kind of dip? Ranch. So that's why my tummy was real rumbly. I have to get something set up real quick before I start the arts. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Do. 'Tis rain and thundering. Pretty cozy morning. Rain and thundering, eh? Rain and thundering. Okay. Oh, I should pin my message. That the timer is capped. Timer's capped. Okay. I'll update you guys on I'll update you guys on other stuff. Okay, why did it jump? Why did it jump like that? Come on now. Here we go. We have a full 24 hours. I gave you guys a few free minutes. How's that? A few free minutes. But it's because I was so sleepy, and we were technically on starting soon, so I'll take it. Yippee! Happy midnight morning, everyone. Happy midnight morning, Kit Kat. Hi, Lane Pop. One of your best breads, please, fine baker. Oh, all of our breads are the finest of breads. I wonder what I'll get today. I got a brioche today. Nice. I've only clicked that redeem 46 times, even though I've been here for every one of my streams. I didn't see what I got. You didn't? Wait. I can find it. Did you get it at the beginning? I can see it. I'm omnipresent. You got a baguette today. You got a baguette? I can see it in the chat log. Okay, I have something importante to do today. Art. I have some art to do. I have that Ashton sketch page I need to finish as well, so that could be fun to draw. But I have something to do, something else to cook up a little bit. But do excuse me because I'm gonna need a minute to cook it. I'm gonna need a minute to set it up for cooking. Okay. I got this, you guys. I got this. Canvas. Surface layer burnt or lump of coal. Ace bread. I'm sure it's kind of edible. I've had made a few before, but it's been a while since I got a bunch of croissants. Croissants are so good. Oh, you're gonna render ash. Yes, I will, but perhaps I'm not sure if I'll get to it today because I have something I really want to draw today. You will see. You will see soon. Okay. I'm gonna sketch it first. I'm gonna sketch it first and then, but you will understand. You'll understand, chat. Blonde Vtuber art. It's actually art for you'll see. But it is not of a blonde VTuber. Mama Steen said congrats on the Donothon. Thank you for the congrats. Yeah, it's a terrible day for rain, truly. I know exactly what you're referring to. But I think you know. My role here is to support my bakery, so for anyone that's still processing their feels, I want to give you time, you know? I'm definitely feeling something. I'm definitely feeling something, but as per usual, sweet detective Ame, I think she's paving a new path for future talents. I'm a little blue. It's okay. It's okay to feel a little blue. I think that it's just a showcase of how much you care, right? I think she's really opening up a new doorway for people that feel like they can't keep up with the grind of the full idol activities and schedules, but are still like they don't want to be gone entirely, you know? Oh, only 2 hours of sleep and still have to work. Come on, Chesta, you got this. I actually don't think I've ever drawn fan art of a VTuber who's, I guess in this case they're not using the word graduation, but I've never drawn fan art of a VTuber when they were on their way out, if that makes sense. I don't know why I stop myself every time I start. I actually did. I did sketch some stuff for Pomu, but it just felt kind of wrong for some reason, for me particularly. I think I'm just overthinking things and being too tough on myself in some ways. It's just, for me specifically, if I haven't been active enough in their community, if I feel like, you know, even no matter how much I like them, if I feel like I haven't been active enough in their fan base, on top of that, if I've never drawn fan art of themselves before, I kind of want to leave that moment for, like, you know, I want to leave that moment for their community. Like, I don't really feel like I need to slide my art in there and be like just for the goodbye, right? Like, if I want to draw them, I can draw them again later. Like, I still want to draw Pomu. Because her design is like cute as heck, right? I still want to draw a cute fairy. And I would love to draw like Ame too and like Aqua because I really like all of them. It just didn't feel like it was my time to post art of them on their way out. That is how I feel. Yeah. Another thing is like, it's undeniable that talents that are graduating or announcing that they're leaving to some capacity, they get a lot more traction in that last like month or last days or last weeks. And I feel like I want to draw fan art from the heart always. I don't want it to look like that I'm just trying to, you know, get something in right before they go or get something in at the last moment when they're like sort of got the most eyes on them, right? Yeah. And again, I know it's me overthinking it because there are definitely people that are lurker fans that maybe they draw their last fan art because they're like, oh my gosh, I missed all these opportunities to like show my Oshi my care, and like I missed all these opportunities to like draw this fan art before they leave, so I need to get something out before they go. I think that's just different. That is completely beautiful and valid, and it's just for me personally, knowing myself and knowing how active I've been in certain communities, it just didn't feel appropriate for me in that time. And so in those times, I'm like, I will draw fan art of them later if I want to, you know? It doesn't have to be before they go, because that's a time for them and the community. And I feel like, you know, I really like all these talents too, and I watch them and I watch clips and VODs or their concerts and stuff like that, but because I think there's definitely people that are like deeply affected by it, so you know, I'm just hoping everyone gets the space and the time that they need, but at the same time, you know, we're here to just chill and have a cozy and good time. But if you feel like crying, if you feel like sitting back today and just sort of sitting with yourself, that is a-okay too. I'm gonna dip, gotta load up some vault panels. Let's go, Jazza! You got this, you got this! You're going to load those vaults so good. You're going to load those vault panels so good. Stay hydrated as well. I feel similarly. I feel like I'm not active enough of a fan to be sad. I think that you can definitely feel sad regardless of how active of a fan you are, right? Just for me, it's more like both making and publishing fan art. It's always like a love letter, right? But it doesn't feel right to do it at the last moment if I hadn't done anything before, I guess. Again, I think I'm overthinking it. I think people appreciate every bit of fan art no matter what. But for me, I'm like, I feel like if I truly wanted to draw them, I will draw them later. Because it's not like they're gone, right? Like the stuff that they've done and the character and everything and the love that it holds is like, yeah, the love that their character has given to people and the love that people have for their character stays around. So I can always I think it's like what Aqua said, it's like as long as you don't forget them, they're never actually gone, right? Because with VTubers, sometimes it's like, oh, if you graduate, is it really the end? But it doesn't mean that everything else that they made was gone, right? I see. I kind of felt the same way, Moji. Because I started really liking Pomu, but more towards the end. So I felt like I hadn't been there for long enough to properly, I guess, mourn. But then again, from the talent's perspective, and I think from the fan base's perspective, I don't think it. I think it's equally valid, you know? If you consider yourself a fan, you really are, right? Like you're not fake or anything like that. So don't give yourself those ideas, pretty much. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay. I am almost ready to set this up. I have to finish the sketch without you guys looking at it though, sorry. I have to finish the sketch without you guys looking at it. And I think you will understand why when you see it. Dun-dun. Okay. I got this, you guys. It's okay, seeing your face is enough. Psh. It's okay, Kyle's gone now. We can compliment him, huh? Oh, Kyle. Take it easy, you guys. Take it easy. I felt like because I'm streaming this morning, and I feel like a lot of people are seeing the news about our lovely detective this morning, you know, I didn't want to ignore it, but I also didn't feel like it was my place to emphasize it, right? Because that's, you know, again, for her fans and and for Hollow Men and such. So yeah, exactly. So, you know, but I'm just putting out there that, you know, I'm definitely feeling something too, and I hope all of us can just, you know, have an easy morning, right? Especially, I think, as an EN indie VTuber, I can't ignore every, like, you know, it's impossible to ignore all of the things that Ame made just VTuber things, you know? I'm pretty sure she was like the first or one of the first to post weekly schedules. The feet on the table asset, probably the reason why I have these hands up right now. Like these things are you know, these things are these things are irreplaceable, right? Yeah. I mean, you know, everyone has their personal niches and stuff like that, but I think regardless, you know, a lot of these early VTubers, there's an undeniable impact. Dun dun. What's a good... Okay, so we've been watching lots of cake videos lately. I am trying to think what a good flavor is. Dun, 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 dun. I'm like... I wanna think about this. Anyways, though, care you guys. So you should care you too. White chocolate and raspberry? Ooh. I'm trying to think about what this person likes though. Because I realized maybe I hadn't specifically asked about what sort of sweets they prefer the most. So I'm thinking about it. I'm not genuinely sure. I kind of wanted to go with something that fits with the color palette. You know what I mean? My cheeks look extra chubby in the hood. You think so? Thank you for thinking so. Oh man. Okay. Chipmunk mint, how? I guess I should post that I'm live now. Better late than never. Better like half an hour late than never, right? You wanna poke my face? Man. Fashionably late. Pops. Oh, you immediately pop along with people that are popping? You tend to repeat things I've heard. You're so cute platonically. Thank you. When you guys say sweet things like that. Happy baker. Happy baker. Okay. I don't know what to write for a tweet. We're live. Live for short art stream. What? Do. Good me in my morning. Huh? Is it really awkward when everyone in VC is quiet and then I just say, look at all those chickens? I love that meme though. I gotta say good me in my morning too. Nah. Okay. Well, I just wrote that I was live. Best post a live tweet than never, right? But sometimes I worry that my live tweets are like filling up my media tab. I'm like, there's too many pictures of me here. So sometimes I clean up the ones I don't like as much. The photos where I'm not as photogenic, you know. Hi, Turquoise. I did it at Disney once. There were just a bunch of ducks in the square and I told my sister to record me doing something. Did you say, oh, look at all those chickens. If we talk about sweet things, all we gotta do is talk about the baker. You're so cute. Gone wrong. Almost died. There are never too many pictures of Mint. What? I know I say wowie a lot too. It will be quiet and I'll just quietly go, wowie. That's great. Crazy. Hello, hello. I almost spelled my Twitch wrong. I'm gonna say, wow. Oh, would ya look at all those chickens? I feel like that's a caption I better save for Fields of Mystery stream. Ah. Okay. Let's go, Ikzo. I've done my job as a streamer. I've posted a live tweet. Are you proud of me? Wait, what are you typing? I was posting a live tweet because I forgot to say I was live for anyone that's not in the Discord for pings and for anything else. More than I've done. No. You've written plenty of tweets, Moji. You've written plenty of tweets. Don't you worry. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm ready to go to the arting screen, I think. Methinks. Hey, whoa. Teehee. If you're gonna say you haven't done much, I just have to respectfully disagree. Cause you have done much. You've done so much. Okay, I'm still confused about this sometimes. Supposedly, is a V tweet or supposed to be someone that just tweets a lot? Cause I don't see anything wrong with that in particular. Just someone that writes tweets. Every time I see it pop up in my notifications, I realize I'm public. No. It's because I appreciate your appreciation for your Oshi. As simple as that, right? Simple as that. Okay. I'm gonna do the line art and then we'll figure out the colors. Yippee! See you guys on the art screen. Hello. I wonder what is happening today. But I will art. Alrighty. Let's go over here. Papa Stan is super stoic, but I think he says hi too. Oh. Mint, you're a big Oshi of mine. You won't leave, right? Sheesh. Thank you for saying I'm your Oshi. I think I want to be around for as long as I can. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, what kind of cake? I think it'd be cute if the cake had bunny ears. Dun dun. What was for brekkie oomph? I actually didn't eat breakfast today. I'm gonna eat brunch after stream because it's a short stream.
Oshi cake tax.
Oshi cake tax. Thank you so much, Alex, for the $5. I actually didn't eat breakfast yet today. I used to always skip breakfast. I stopped that. I stopped doing that in favor of eating breakfast, but just this morning I will eat after streaming because it's like if I ate breakfast after I woke up and stuff, yeah, that's why I said I'll eat brunch. I'll eat so much for brunch while watching a very special stream. Alexa's birthday. Young lady, you need breakfast. I drink a lot of water. And also my tummy hurt yesterday, and so I wasn't trying to irritate it by immediately eating anything with like milk or stuff like that. Is that a cake? I feel like this Donathon has a theme. Well, listen, it's my friend's birthday today.
Fund. Get something good later.
What the heck, Alex? I feel like I'm being taken care of by my Asian father. You didn't eat breakfast? Get something good for brunch later. That's so sweet. Thank you very much for the $20, Alex. What the heck? Ah. Who's keeping count, right? You're keeping count? To the funny number? So silly. If our kid did eat like a lot, no, you gotta eat too. You've gotta eat too, maiden. I think it's too dark if I put a face on it though, right? Dun, dun. You gotta eat two? Two of what? Two? When your ears partially block, well, your ears partially block the number. Maybe that's intentional. Maybe I don't want you guys to know. I think face is perfect, yeah? Of course. Of course you wanted room for 69. So silly. Hi, Roy. I feel like the face has to be a little bit ugly. Like those SpongeBob popsicles. I'm not sure. Okay, out of the void. Out of the void. Welcome out of the void, Kyle. OMG cake. I told Lexus I'd bring a birthday cake. What, didn't I? Do you think this face looks SpongeBob popsicle enough? I want it to be like slightly messed up. She did ask you yesterday, exactly. And this is the idea that popped into my mind. Cause I was like, within 3 hours, I think I can finish this. And then I can do any proper fan art later. Okay, I will eat. Yes, good idea. Eat food. I think the nose should be lower than the mouth. It's just gonna look like a mole. Now it looks like the bunny has like voluptuous lips. When you add the little line at the bottom, it gives them lips. I mean, I can make it cute too. I just have to make it really clear that it's like frosting. Bless. Have good food, maiden. But wait, birthday Alex, thank you very much for the $4. Thank you for the $29 total, I think it is. Is that cake single? What are you gonna do to the cake, huh? Another bunny baked, sacrificed. Dun, 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 dun. But like, it's so cute. Wait, I need to add a strawberry. Okay, and then I need to put little references. We get like a flower friend shaped cookie, I think. Cause it's me. It's me and I love Lexus. Mo baby. Mo baby. Hello. Are you excited for today? It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so fun. Hello, I lurking. Feel free to lurk. I saw you earlier too. I think I said hi, but don't feel pressured to come out of your lurk or anything. Yes, very much. Yay! So exciting. And of course you can follow Mobibi. To my knowledge, I don't think Mobibi streams, but that way, if one day Mobibi mysteriously decides to stream, we can all show up. Actually, that's a great idea. I don't know if I'm following Mobibi or not yet. Just in case. Somehow that looks like a flower friend. This is a flower friend. This is, maybe once I color it, it'll be more clear. Oh, let me pull something up. This I can pull up on stream. I realized I was like scared to pull up a reference image because I thought to myself, oh, that's spoilers. But there are pictures that Lexus has posted herself as promotional material. And actually that's enough for me to use in this scenario. Hee. Alright, so this is straight from Lexus Twitter. Da-dum. Let me take this line art color. Her mama draws such yummy art. Such yummy art. Very excited to see her debut. Me too. Dun-dun-dun-dun. I'm gonna try my best to sort of match the line art style, because I think that way, I mean, if you couldn't already tell, I'm making it as an asset that she can use on stream if she wishes, but it is, I made it overlay. What time is her debut starting? You will find out because we're raiding into it today. This is actually a waiting room. This is a waiting room. Cause in the past I've also had friends do like a waiting room for my debut, and so, or my one of my outfit debuts, and it feels very wonderful. Of course, no one is obligated to do something like that, right? Because it cuts into your own schedule, but I think it's just something that's really sweet and something that can be so nice to do. So I really wanted to do that. Oh, have a good lurk. No worries. Always feel free to lurk. But I'd say her debuts in about like over 2 hours. 2 hours and 20 minutes. So I'm going to basically make sure that, like, usually when I do something like a waiting room or want to raid into a special event, I'll let her start, because as opposed to like raiding in on the starting soon, I think it's nice to like raid in like right at the beginning. Because it's very fun, because then that way we'll just directly watch the reveal. Very exciting stuff. And I am streaming tomorrow. I'm streaming tomorrow, and tomorrow is technically another waiting room. There's more special events, you guys. The theater gets filled up. Yeah, exactly. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Have a snack. You're making Mexican hot chocolate. Oh, that sounds so good. Wow. Hope you're having a good day too, Lima. But yeah, that's how Mama and Papa Stantine came to be. Wait, your parents met at a temple dance? Oh, my aunt looked at my dad and said, if you don't dance with her, you're a coward. Dang, your aunt was pulling the strings. She knew. She took one glance at her brother, aka Papa Steen, and was like, oh yeah, they need to get together. That's apparently how, similar to how my grandparents got together. So, not all my grandparents are around anymore, but my dad's mom my dad's dad was a very like simple guy, but then my dad's mom, you know, she was more social, like more of a social butterfly, stuff like that. And they met at a dance because my dad's, like my grandpa was just there maybe with a friend or for some other reason. And he was sitting there and my grandma apparently thought, my grandma thought that he was cute. And so she went up to him and was like, hey, why are you dancing? And I mean, this is, very long time ago, but she was like, oh, hey, why aren't you dancing? And he was like a quiet guy. He just was like, oh, I don't know how to dance. And so she was like, oh, come on, get up, I'll teach you. And that's how they first met. It's like such a meet cute, such a grandparent meet cute. Yeah. And then I found out that my parents technically knew of each other before immigrating to America. I had no idea that was the case though. Both my sister and I, our whole lives, for some reason, we don't know where the story came from, we thought that they met in the States. And they did technically meet in the States, but they actually worked at the same place, but only for a year in Asia. They worked at the same place, except my dad was only, like, my mom was full-time staff and my dad was only there for like a year because it was just like a temporary like gig for him. And so they knew of each other, but they hadn't properly like spoken and met. But maybe they connected in America because I guess they knew each other by like name. Then your grandparents are living the romance tropes. Oh yeah. Actually, I have another. So I don't know exactly how to speak of things like this, but imagine I have someone else that is like an aunt and a grandmother to me. There's someone that's like destiny pretty much. And my mom was someone that never particularly wanted to get married either. And my dad was like, yeah, I wooed her. I got him. And I was like, wow. I could have just not existed if my mom had just been like, huh. Because my mom is pretty independent, She was like, I don't feel the need to get married or anything like that. Although the idea of having kids, I think she liked the idea of having kids, but didn't particularly. She wasn't super like, oh my gosh, like I want to. And how will you meet your future partner, Mitt? Don't ask me. You're asking the wrong person. Please ask the almighty creator if there is one, and then come back to me and let me know. It would be cool. I always thought it'd be cool to meet them sort of organically though. I think it's fun if it's a situation where I just like run into them. Cafe meet cutes always seem nice. Thank you, Mama My, Papa My. I love your work. It's crazy. Spoilers are against the laws of the universe, unfortunately. Dang it. Every day my dad reminds me that Mama Steen was his first girlfriend. Oh, and he knew that she was the one. And I'm like, you're lucky, man. Wish that was me. Aw. My dad was my mom's first boyfriend, too. But I mean, they started, I think they got together in their late 20s, 30s. Because obviously when you're pursuing big education in a new country, or if you're trying to make it work out in a new country, trying to go to like grad school, yeah, you don't have time to date My dad was my mom's first boyfriend. I don't know about my dad. Not sure about that guy. Not sure about if my mom was my dad first. I don't know. Cause I think that I'm pretty sure that my dad says that my mom is his first girlfriend too, but also he's totally like, we've totally heard stories of, the olden days when some girl liked him, but he didn't necessarily like them back. And I'm like, really? Are you sure about that? I'm just kidding. It's cute. Yeah, it is very cute. Very cute. Bum, 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 bum. Mint, I don't think that would be the right word, but I don't know. I didn't know him. Didn't know him back then. Good morning, Miss Mint. Good morning, flower friends. Hi, Miss Alpha. But yeah, he's briefly told us about girls that had crushes on him or something. Very funny. I feel like it's just not really something that you mention to your kids unless something gets brought up that inspires the conversation, you know? I always had fun hearing his stories though. I was like, yeah, tell me about it. Dun-dun-dun. Teach me like this. Hey, do you want to grab some soda pop and popcorn and go to the cinema? What year is it again, Alex? Uh-huh. It's true, I was there. I was one of the girls. Oh my gosh. Alternative timeline in which Rai could have been my mother. Crazy. That's crazy work. Keep finding photos of my really young grandparents and being like, dang, what, they were so cool. What happened to me? Same here. Wait. Can we just talk about this for a second? I think it has to do with the times. I think that maybe somehow there is a standard back then for maybe people to clean themselves up a little more, like people went out wearing more formal wear and stuff. Because there's pictures of my granddad, you know, and he was a musician. He was not well off at all. In fact, he might have been a little bit more in the struggling artist trope. I don't know the details about it, but you know, back in the day, I didn't see a picture of this. Actually, I didn't see this picture until he passed, actually. But me and all my cousins had this weird moment of like, is that our grandpa? Because there's a photo of him and he looks like dashing. He looks uncannily like dashing, and he's like stepping out of a car and he's wearing this suit and he's got sunglasses on. And this is like in Asia in like the early, you know, whatever time period it was then. Welcome in, Raiders! Azir Annie, thank you so much for the raid. I hope you had a good stream. I'm drawing a little bit of art. We're drawing a yummy cake. I hope you had a fun Overwatch 2 stream. I don't know much about Overwatch 2, but I hope you had fun. The characters look fun to play. But feel free to raid and run as you need, but super nice to meet you guys. I'm Mintmai, Cozy Baker VTuber. Stream art, just chatting, and variety games. Mint Granddad had Riz. Dude, no wonder my grandma saw him cross the dance floor and was like, I need to teach him how to dance. Well, now you've played League, Overwatch 2 is next. You think so? Some of the VC Flower friends have seen a picture of my grandpa around 20 leaning on the hood of a sports car. That is so cool. Jerry drawing for Lexus? Maybe. She very casually was like, bring a cake. And I was like, a cake I will bring. I can show you if you want. It's like a great pic. I'm jealous. I wish I had the energy. Yeah, you can show me if you're comfy with that. Cause I feel why were our grandparents so dashing, huh? why were they so cool? And then there's like us. Now I can bring 2 cakes. So true. Hi, Amisha. Hello. I'm so... What's stopping you from looking dashing? Lazy? That's truly it, nothing else. Just a little bit lazy. I'm so tired, I didn't sleep until 9 a.m. Arisa! I know that you are also prepping for big day. Can't wait for tomorrow as well. Guys, we're getting so well fed these days. Oh my gosh. My grandparents from my mom's side, it would be possible my grandma's family didn't like my granddad because of... Oh no! Ain't no way. They gotta get with the times. But have a nap, Arisa. Have a nap. Have a nap and wake up in 2 hours. You got this. I like to make sure I always look nice even if I'm just going to my building's laundry room. Oh, that's so nice. If I'm going to a building's laundry room, probably go in jammies. I'm very... For me, it depends on the situation, I guess, the effort that I put in. I put in lots of effort if I'm gonna go to like hang out with friends or just go somewhere cute. But if I'm just in the comfort of my own complex, my own living quarters, I'm just gonna be comfortable. Yeah, don't forget to eat either. I see. Pretty different times. Yeah, got you. Oh, thank you for sending him over. Oh my gosh! Dude! Look at your... Oh my gosh, your grandparents look dashing. Oh, the picture of them now is so cute! Miss Maiden. Thank you for sharing. Wow, your dad, not your dad, your granddad and your grandma look so strikingly attractive. But I can relate because like I have pictures like that of my grandparents too, where it's like, wow, I want to dress better, fashion hard. I agree, Miss Alpa. I inspire to be the people that my grandparents were when they were younger, you know? Look good, feel good, right? I definitely feel that too, Kazu. I think for me, maybe there's just the extra step of like makeup, if that makes sense. I'm not sure if you wear makeup or not, Kazu. It'd be great. If you did, it'd be great if you don't. But for me, if I'm wearing a cute outfit, it still feels kind of naked if I'm not wearing cute makeup. But makeup gives me a little bit of a sensory... It gives me a little bit of I can feel it on my face. You know what I mean? I can feel the mascara on my eyelashes, and I can feel like foundation or like any makeup on my face, and that's what makes it less comfortable. But then if I'm not wearing makeup, then I don't really feel like dressing up more than usual. Like you see you see there's like it's a mutually... There's kind of a symbiotic relationship there where I'm not gonna do the look good, feel good unless I have the whole package all together. So it takes too long to prepare sometimes. I'd rather just be comfortable because I think I can feel cute without any of those things too. Even if I don't, I guess, objectively look cute going out to grocery shop in my jammies. I can pretend that it's a quirky, cute thing. I don't wear makeup, my face is very sensitive. Yeah, understandable, right? But for me, it's like getting cleaned up and putting on a cute outfit. It's harder to do when I know that I'm not gonna wear makeup too. I like too many colors, sometimes I feel like a rainbow. But you know, Ms. Alpa, I feel like there's fashion that's really cute that incorporates all of that stuff. It's like, you know Usahana? I remember Usahana being your favorite Sanrio character. I have seen people dress in sort of outfits that are colorful but work really well together. I rarely put on makeup. I'll put on some lipstick now and then. Yeah. Yeah, like sometimes the face will itch when you have makeup on. You know, everyone's just got different sensory things. And sensitive skin. Like I have sensitive skin. So sometimes my skin will get angry if I wear too much makeup. Oh my gosh, me in New York. I think the skin on my face was the worst it had ever been. I was like, what? I literally had clear skin like the week before I went to New York. I went to New York, the plane air, all the traveling made it super dry. And then I wore makeup every day in New York because I like got really dressed up every day in New York because I thought it'd be fun. And also everyone in New York compared to the West Coast is dressed really nicely. Must be the water. Something in the air is different. Alpha always cute and fashionable though. What be bestie? Alpha is always cute. I don't think I specifically remember anyone's outfits from when we met, but Miss Alpha is always so cute. Roy too, you're not exempt from this. Oh, I inherited a lot of my grandma's clothes after... Oh, I see. After she passed, being like, I'm not cool enough for these clothes. But you are! You definitely are. Me? You! Come back so we can eat yummy foods and hang out again. We need to re-meet. I want a do-over. I was so shy because it was my first time meeting like 4 people in person. I want a do-over. Do. I get to see Woogie and Nyx next month though, so I'm really looking forward to it. Cause I miss them so much. Yeah, but you were so cool, Miss Mint. Come back. Come back. What happened to my playlist? What happened to my playlist? Hold on. Do over. Okay. Ooh, Pog. Funny story, I'm way shorter than Grandma Steen. You tried on these pants and oh. I looked at Mom and said she bamboozled us. The ties were fake. I don't know how I got here, but I will hit the purple button. Wow, welcome in. You might have come in with the raid earlier. Thank you so much. It's nice to meet you. I do lots of miscellaneous game streams, lots of just chatting, lots of art. I need to make this flower friend. Look more like a cookie. Excuse me. Lurk. Wow, I cannot type. You're so good. Give him bite marks? Oh my gosh. No. No, the cake is fresh. It is uneaten. The cake is fresh. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Welp, lurk. Thank you for lurking. Uneaten before I get my hands on it. So true. For taste testing? Wow, thank you so much for stream streak. Hi, Kami. Hello. Do. Could be my morning. I think I kind of like how I drew it before, where it's just this. There's gotta be like a... dollop of cream. Or another heart. Dun, dun. BRB, time for workies. You got this, Miss Alba. I'll see you later. Come on, Alba. Kazu chose violence? I saw you say that earlier and I was like, Miss Alpha has been playing a lot of Deadlock. Must be a good game. It's okay, it's who I am now. I mean, I think, you know, it's good to switch up the addictions once in a while, right? So you got Deadlock, you got Valo. She has abandoned Valorant, abandoned it fully. I don't know how the game works. Dun, 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 dun. I'd be motivated to try sometime. But I don't know what kind of game it is. You should deadlock with Miss Alpha sometime? I'm down. I would be down. Just let me know. I sent you an invite to it. Eh? An invite? Oh? Bum, bum, bum. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty. I think we're doing a decent job at this kick. It needs to look like icing. Perhaps I will clarify that with the color. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let me check something real quick. I need to check that the line thickness is matching. So if you'll excuse me for a moment. Let me see. I don't know if the line thickness is matching exactly. Maybe I need it to be thicker lines, slightly thicker lines. I want it to match, so. Okay. Okay. It's late for me already. I'm gonna go eat. Have a good sleep, QB. Hope today's stream will be fun. I'll be back later. Wah! I'm really sorry. I'm actually not streaming into the night today. Today and tomorrow have to be shorter days for me, because there's some special events. So we're gonna be raiding out instead. But I hope you have a really good rest of your night. I shut eyes too. Hopefully I wake up in time. Yeah. Very special events, exactly. We got birthday, we got debuts that we have to go to. We must attend, chat. We have to be in attendance. We mustn't be late. We mustn't delay for a very, very important date. You're seriously craving some brioche? Since getting it for daily bread. Oh my gosh, brioche, so yummy. So good. Let me try and make the plate cute. I always like these scallop shapes. They're not easy to draw though. I'll do my best. Hi, Bren! Hi. Mint, I've convinced several flower friends to get fountain pens. I am roll nat 20 persuasion. Oh my. Keep going and soon you'll convince me to get a fountain pen. And I used to have a fountain pen. I used to have one. I have recommendations. I just don't actually think that I could use one right now. So it'd be a waste. You know what I mean? I don't want to waste it. Hi, Apple! Yippee! Eel soup emotes are the best. Do it, join us, the cool kids. Does sound like fun. It does sound like fun. See, I was trying to see how one would hold a cake platter. But I feel like your thumbs wouldn't curl over the edges like that. I'll give it my best attempt. Do. I own two actually. Nice! I don't know how much I actually write with pens anymore. I probably make a mess. What are we talking about? Got distracted by cool airplane. Oh, you're so good. We were talking about stationery? Fountain pens, briefly. Some fountain pens. Hi, Remy. Thank you for lurking. Oh, I can't write. Mint. Hello. Oops. Oh, suddenly zoomed out real fast. Alrighty. This tray is looking funky. I'm not sure how to... I'm not sure what I want it to look like from this perspective. I love these emotes. Yeah! I've always wanted one, but the carpal tunnel makes it painful to use pens. Oh, that's true. I wonder if they have pen grips that improve it, or at least improve the experience of using a fountain pen, or any pen for that matter. I think it's okay if the frill is just at the bottom. Just making sure I can finish this in time. It's rare to see me just drawing arms, I know. No anime girl here, not right now. But this is to go on the anime girl. So I want to do a good job. Hi, Impact! Hello. Okay. But I know today and tomorrow will be a shorter day, but Sunday I will post some announcements about Community Gaming Day. Of course, feel free to lurk on Community Gaming Day. But I think it'll be fun. We're gonna do lots of stuff. Okay. I always admire your hoodie. I'm glad you like it. Looking forward to more stuff. Yeah. Sent you the 2 pens I use because they're flower friend colored. Oh my gosh. I'll check him out later. I think I'll look at other things or my messages after stream. Cause it's Lexus Day and I'm like I'm really trying to match the rendering style that Apri, Lexus's model mama, does. So I hope I can get it on time. Right on time. I hear aforementioned rendering. Your favorite word, right, Remy? Your favorite word. Oh. Yeah. I mean, she might have seen part of stream and gotten spoiled. But I was assuming, I was like, she might be busy. She might be busy preparing as well. So she said to show up with the cake, so I was like, yeah, I'll show up with the cake. Song request, Doko. No song requests today. I gotta lock in, you guys. Of course, I'm really happy to chat with you guys and stuff. I just don't wanna deal with an extra component that I have to keep touching. I have to lock in, you guys. I'm locking in. I gotta lock in for you know what. Arts, you got this. Hi, Harryville. Hello, hello. Hi, little toy-chan. I was just thinking to myself, I'll draw this first and then I'll worry about other arts later. Chat is enough of a distraction. So true. We distracting. It's good though. It's good. You guys are a good distraction, okay? I'm sure that the art style will not be matching perfectly, but the least I can do is try. I think if you gave me a lot more time to study, I mean, I literally came up with this idea yesterday, but if I studied it for longer, I could get it like oh so slightly closer. Oh, I see. Is he worried you're not gonna... Is he worried that you're not somehow not going to come back in time from the store that's like right there? I guess if it's 5 minutes down the road, that is a pretty comfy walk. Little 20-minute walk. The only problem with not taking the car to go to a store though is you have to bring everything back in your hands. I heard my stomach rumble. Oops, it sounded like a low burp. Yeah, I gotta carry the stuff. Especially if it's like for groceries or something like that. I'll remember to eat tomorrow. Don't worry, we can one-way trip it. Oh my gosh, I'm literally one of those people. Don't worry, I think I can take it in one trip. And it's like, no, Mintmai, don't. Take multiple trips. Take multiple trips. But sometimes I'm like, but what if I can get it in one trip? That would be so satisfying. That'd be so cool and so satisfying. America needs to invest in these wonderful things called sidewalks. We sometimes have sidewalk. Multiple trips are for wimps. No way. Okay, well, don't break your arms off. But I am one of those people where if I can do it in one trip, I will do it in one trip. I will suffer. My neighborhood doesn't have sidewalks. What? I feel like it should be like an urban planning requirement to have sidewalks. I remember once I was helping a friend and we went apartment hunting together, and there's one apartment that we looked at that you open the front door and you walk out and it's just the road. It's like, hello? Hello? We're on the West Coast and people are driving fast on local. It just like, if you open the front door and walk down the stairs, it's just road. That's not safe. There's places like that though. I was just as shocked as you guys are. There's no sidewalk. It was just like, I think it was literally like 3 lanes one way, so it was 6 lanes total, like a main road. There's like obviously a thin little gap, but not a real sidewalk. So concerning? Yes, very concerning. You need to buy a little trolley. A trolley sounds nice, actually. That sounds quite charming. Dun, 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 dun. Open doors. Ah, good morning, Isekai. Oh my gosh, just get truck-kuned one day. Oh, that's horrible. Not the kind of Isekai plot we were looking for. I'm trying to see, can I get away with not drawing any fingers? But that just might not look as good. Gosh, this reminds me of when I drew so many arm toggles. But it's without the cutting at least. I think the thumb would be tucked in there somewhere. I feel that. No hands life. They're hard to draw. But as a VTuber, I feel like hand assets are like really fun to use. So I don't know, I wanted to give something like that. Let's see. At work, hope y'all have fun. Pen, thank you for the work check-in in the water. We're all just like, look, Ma, no hands. Okay. I think that looks like hands. I also sized the sleeves to make sure that they fit. So we should be good. We should be good. All right. Merge that together. I think because of rigging and such, you might still see the model's arms like poking out certain ways. But I'm hoping, we'll see. I'm hoping that it fits nicely. Nom. Hi, Flame. Hello. Good midnight morning. Let's see. Ah!
Undead bits ahoy.
Undead bits ahoy! Ahoy! Do boy. Ahoy! Undead bits, thank you so much for the 145 undead bits, maiden. It's probably hard to completely hide the model behind an asset. Yeah, but I can't show you guys, and I'm not gonna have another chance to really finish this. So we gotta do this. We gotta do this, guys. Bum ba dum bum bum ba dum. Okay. But it's okay, I drew the sketch on top, so it should line up fine. Now the only thing is that the line thickness sort of varies, so we're gonna go back in and try to fix some of that. Dun, 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 chocolate. I have this one song stuck in my head. Bum, 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 bum. This song always reminds me of that song. And I don't even remember what it's... I think it's called Too Late for Chocolate, but I don't remember the artist's name. Okay. That looks a little bit more balanced. I can finish it, Chad, I believe. So I wanted to make... Okay, so there's a really nice painterly style. To her mama's work. I love apiary art. Dun, 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 dun. All right. I'll base color first, and then I'll render on top of that. Dun, 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 dun. Speed. Except not actually speeding, but also. We're gonna get this done. We're gonna get this done for the birthday girl. I'm looking to the side so much. I wonder why that is. Let me see. It looks like I'm looking to the bottom corner, but okay. Hi Namjoon. Doing a little bit of art right now. Hope you're having a good morning. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, maybe it's important to do it over dark background still, just to make sure. It's nighttime here. Hope you're having a good evening in that case. It's for me, it's still considerably morning. So I've been calling it Mintmai morning. But in that case, good evening. Good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our nightly showing of a random streamer. Hi, Max. You got morning still for a good chunk. Yeah, I feel like I got morning still for a little while. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, thank you for the stretch and the water. Got it. There is Mintmai in all of us. And I am in the US, yes. I'm in the States. BRB, my favorite plane just went up. I'm bouncing off the walls. Let's go! Planes! How exciting. Please, please savor the moment for us. Let's see. Color in the hands. The hands. For something like an asset, you really do have to directly pick colors if you want it to match perfectly. So I think that that's the direction I'm going in. I realized I don't have to color in the lines there. I'll color the plate on top. Might change the color of that stripe as well. I think the plate, I see some purple here. I'm gonna steal that purple color. I think I'm gonna cry. Oh! Just savor it. Take the moment. Take in the moment. Ah! Hi, Dark Lord. Hello. Hello. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And then for the actual cake, I think the icing should be this color. Quack, 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 quack. Are you a duck? Quick, duck. Dun, 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 dun. 3 men walked into a bar. The third one was a duck. Mint, watch this. Duster, thank you for the lurk. Well, what's up, Moji? Sheesh! Damn! How'd you know? How'd you know that was gonna be a dub? I'm always so scared to watch you guys gamble all and then you lose everything. Well, that could have gone so ugly. You have a lot of flour too. Oh my gosh, currently Remy is the champ. We've had so many changes in the leaderboard just within the Donothon alone. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Bunny. Get a strawberry. But what if I want the strawberry to be pink? That's acceptable. I can choose. Dun 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 dun. Whoa, there's a win streak. A win streak. What the heck? See, I'm telling you guys, it's 50-50. What a win streak, you guys. You have to go give flower, I think. Exclamation mark give flower, one word. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. The flower friend cookie. I want it to look like don't know if I want it to look more shortbready or gingerbready. Let's just do a standard like chocolate cookie or something. No, I give up. You try to be nice. Oops. Welcome to the void. Welcome to the void. Okay. Thanks. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sheesh. Thanks, OBS. Very cool, very awesome, very epic. They also blasted everything, making it more saturated. But I think it's actually more somewhere around here. Dun, dun. I should have stopped when I had the chance. I could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Mint is so speedy. I'm still lining. I mean, I think this is different though, right? I think it's different because this is it's just a cake and arms in comparison. You're doing an art challenge? Sheesh. That sounds fun. Sounds exciting. I hope you enjoy it. It's called drawing all of Hololive until one of them asks me to stop. I don't think anyone would ever ask you to stop. Ooh, is it getting close to that time? Getting close to that time? We still have, I think, an hour and a half about. Today I slated it to be like a 3-hour stream. I started a tad late, but I think it'd be nice if we joined, like, you know, toward the beginning. During the reveal. So it's gonna be... So far, all I can manage was Valda asking me to not stop. Nice. It's gonna be a long challenge. I think you're in it for the long haul. I think you're in. Tadaima! Welcome home! Okaeri! Okaeri nasai. I just hear it in Minto's voice now though. Okaeri nasai, go-shujin-sama, ojo-sama. I can't do her voice. It's too cute. But I love that she has that greeting. Okaeri nasai, go-shujin-sama, ojo-sama. You're so obsessed, maybe. 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 And mine doesn't have a specific greeting, but I can hear her voice saying a lot of things too. I go shower now? Want to get back in time? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Have a good shower. Have a very good shower. Take it easy. Thank you for lurking too. Not the sniffer. Moji! What? Huh? I gotta go take a shower now. Sniff, 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 sniff. I'm out of here. I won't stop you, but I definitely stink. No way. Listen, even he's proclaimed the self-proclaimed stink. Are you sure you would like to proceed with this? Are you sure you would like to proceed with this, Moji? I always forget how to draw a flame. I'm pretty sure the light part is in the middle, actually. Okay. I remembered correctly. Well, if you want to draw a good candle flame, the lightest part is actually in the middle. Domo, Miss Mint. Hi, Mushy! Metal dust definitely not good for sniffing. That is true. I can't argue against that one. But yeah, we're gonna try and go for a more realistic candle flame. Do. But yeah, the light part goes in the middle. Dun, 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 dun. Procreate, yep, Procreate. We are in Procreate because I like drawing on my iPad. It's nice. Nice and easy for me. Gotcha. Yeah, it's not the best program for everything, but it's fun to draw and it's straightforward, easy to learn, I think. You're just used to seeing, oh, CS Paint everywhere? Yeah. I mean, CS Paint is kind of the superior program, not gonna lie. Compared to all the other programs, CS Paint sort of puts them to shame. But Procreate too, because I think Procreate also is nice because they don't have the subscription services as well. Just it's like a $10 one-time purchase. Isn't that crazy? Imagine that. Adobe. Hey, making an art piece for our birthday gal? Maybe. Maybe. It's actually like a birthday asset. So it's something that I hope she can use whenever she wants. But this, I made it so that she can put this PNG like on top of her model. And it should be good. All right, I need to hide the art from you guys again real quick. Because I just need to do one little thing. One little thing, aka picking a color. But I can't show you guys because that's illegal. Okay, I'm just grabbing the colors. Okay, now I delete this layer. Okay, there we go. Dun dun dun, ba-dum ba-dum. I'm trying to render in the same style as the model as much as possible, but we'll see how close I can get it. Awful lock. This I feel like can be more saturated, and then. Alrighty. I know you're mushroom. I lack a lot of necessary internal organs. But what if mushrooms do have brains? What if they have brains and we just don't know? We just didn't know it this whole time. Can you imagine if that were the case? Technically they do. I mean, technically every animal has something that functions like a brain. Oh, sorry. My setup is so scuffed today. Hello? Maybe it really is time for me to buy that program that lets me share my screen. Well, I was looking into it and then I lost the name. Hello? So sorry. I was looking into that program I've been recommended before. Mushrooms are actually a hive mind. That would make sense. You managed to crash your drawing program using a fill bucket? Oh dear. I think at that point, that might be the program's problem. If using the fill tool crashes it. Thank you for the lurk. Thanks for the follow. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Dun, 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 dun. Nah, it's on me. Did you have like a bajillion layers or something? You tried to fill the entire canvas. Oh, it must have been a gigantic canvas then, huh? 2 layers, eh? I feel like that's still pretty... Usually some programs would still be pretty forgiving of that, no? Okay, that looks enough like a strawberry from afar. Dun, 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 dun. All right, gotta do groceries and go home. Ah, Remy, have a safe trip. 16K canvas. That's okay. That's huge. 57 by 57 inches. Well, it depends on your canvas. Because if it was 300 pixels an inch, then 57 times 300, pretty much. That's what you get. Bum, bum. It's always in pixels? No, sometimes it's not in pixels though. Depends on your program. In Procreate, if I start a project in inches, it actually won't show me what it is in pixels unless I look specifically. I think it depends on the program. I think you can change the default measurement you use. Yeah, that's true. I think you can always change it to pixels if you want. Although it might take some time to find the setting. Dun, 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 dun. In Procreate, it's always just depends on how you start the file. I think this file friend is looking like a cookie. Gonna try to make it very obvious though. Oh, oops. I meant to do this. There you go. Choco. And then for the eyes here, I wanted it to look like icing, but I'm not sure how to make it look more like icing. File, light the file. With this, our drawing begins. You can change from pixel into inches in CSP too. I think you can in Procreate as well. I've just always stuck to using pixels. That's what I'm used to looking at. But it's pretty easy to translate. You just look at how many pixels per inch your file is, and then boom, there you go. I'm not sure if this is looking enough like icing. Oh, I don't know anything about Blender in that case. But Blender seems to be able to do so many cool things. Maybe a shinier look. I just don't want it to accidentally look more detailed than the rest of the it. Miss Mintmai, we should do a karaoke event sometime in November. Ooh. Like another Flower Friend karaoke? We still have the bot and everything. I don't know exactly what my November schedule looks like yet, but I might be available. If I happen to not be available though, I think you guys should totally do it anyways. Hi Frozen! Blender's really powerful. Yeah, I've seen the stuff that can be done in Blender and it's crazy. It's crazy, and I'm not even a 3D artist. I've done a little bit of 3D before, mostly in Maya. But Blender seems like, I mean, and it's accessible, so that's a big thing. I don't think that looks more like icing. I don't think it looks more like icing. I'm struggling with the icing part. I mean, cause I know how to make it look really 3D, but if it looks too 3D, then the rest will look really flat. Maya. Oh, Maya. Good old Maya. A standard, yet somehow not so great program in other ways. So interesting that I feel like people feel sort of the same way about a lot of these standardized programs. Try a reference? Well, I'm referencing the art style of the model. So I think it's a little... I'm just making it too detailed. I'll leave it alone and I'll come back to it after I render stuff like the cake. Because I want the cake to look really yummy. Very, very yummy. I think the cake is gonna be pretty fun. Because it would be one of those really glossy cakes. You know what I mean? Have you guys seen those cakes that they like glaze on top and it's like super, super glossy? What time is the debut again? It's in about an hour. An hour and a few minutes. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Do gloss varnished cake? They just have like there's these kinds of cakes that are so glossy because they do the icing and then I don't know what they cover it in. It's some like jelly like consistency. I don't know if anyone's seen what I'm referring to, but it's super fun. Oh, a mirror cake. Yeah. I think they were very popular for a little bit because of how shiny they looked. And I loved how shiny they looked too. They cover it in resin? Oh dear. Concerned for how edible it is in that case. Thankfully not. Because I really want to eat one day. It looks delicious. It looks kind of like a jelly cake. Pretty happy with that. Let's see. Yummy yummers. Yummy resin, mushy probably. Oh boy. Here, I'm gonna remove this. We're gonna come back to this bunny face. Actually, we're gonna so come back to it, then I'm gonna erase it from the liner and we're gonna decide later. We're gonna decide how to go about the face later. Maybe it would work if I actually did it in like a white frosting. Maybe it'd work better then. Okay. This cake is going to look yummy. If that's the last thing that I ensure. Okay. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Yippee! Oh, and then the hands. The hands are gonna be fun to paint. Let me see. Hands. Do-do-do. Da-dum, da-dum, da-da-dum. Okay, so there's, gotta grab that. Do-do-do-do. The cake is looking quite shiny though. Oh yeah. Glossy cake. I'm trying to, you see how the sweater shines? I'm trying to get it all to like kind of match. Cause I've seen her model and I know that it's so pretty. It's so pretty, but it definitely has a glossy quality to it. So I think it looks really yummy, yeah! Lexus's model looks really yummy too. It's so pretty. But I really want it to like fit right in as much as possible. Although obviously I'm not her model, mama, so I think the art style is... There's gonna be some differences, but as long as it meshes well, I'd be happy. As long as it meshes well when it's up against her model, then that's all that matters. So that's why we're like picking colors and stuff. Oh, thank you for the water and the stretch. Stretch! And I'll drink some water too. Nice stretch. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I noticed that the finger liner is also colored at some points, but not all of them. So I'm gonna try and reflect that. Dun, dun, dun. And oh, gotta go back to work. Lots to do today. Enjoy the rest of streaming. Thank you, Mushy. I really appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Lexus debut in an hour, and that's a reminder for everyone, including myself. I think I literally might finish this like exactly on time. We might be cutting it perfectly close, chat. I don't know. It's gonna be a close one. Okay. First, I'm realizing that duplicate. I want this white part to be separate. And then this should be like here. Oh well, okay, that's fine. Because I see some color gradients on those sleeves I want to get in. Not in 3 hours? Did you say an hour? Oh, cause it's EST. it's EST. So for me it would be 1 p.m. PST. The time zone. So it's 1 p.m. for me, which is gonna be in an hour. Doesn't it start at 6 p.m. EST? Oh, Miss Alpa, the debut itself starts at 4 p.m. EST. But you guys, yeah, you read the wrong thingy. Don't worry about it. Some of us may be summoned. It's cause a couple of us, including Miss Maiden and Miss Alpa, are potentially being summoned for part of the events. Don't worry. No worries. See? I'm not the most pawn one in the room. I'm not the most pawn today. Nope, not I. But yes, the event itself, the actual debut with the reveal and everything, starts sooner. Starting soon. So exciting. I'll take my pawn. She accepts it. Don't worry, I'm glad that I could let you guys know. It's hard to match the rendering style exactly, but gotta try. Let's see. Can't spell apple chomps without the palm. Wait. Who's pawn now, huh, Moji? Who's pawn now? Dun dun dun. You guys keep just switching around. If there's like a pawn name tag, you guys just keep trading it back and forth. It's a different pawn in chat every moment. Not me. You thought there was pawn in Alpa Chomps. Where's the end? Is the pawn in the room with us right now? Is the pawn here with us in the room? Framed? It wasn't me? Wait, it wasn't you? Oh! No! For some reason on my screen, the yellows in your usernames are the exact same. That was Alex. I'm sorry. I've misjudged you, Moji. The real pawn was Mintmai along. Oh no! Shoot! I transferred it back to myself with that scuff. Oh. Now I'm the pawn one again. It came back around. Ah. I mean, I do have to accept and admit that that was me. That one was me. That one was me being a little silly. Can't spell Mintmai without the pawn. Dabs? Not you dabbing at the end of that. What the heck? I got dabbed on? I can't believe this. I can't with you guys. Hi, Chaotic. Hello. I'm drawing some arms. Some fresh arms today. Do 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 do. Alrighty, let's see. Gonna grab this light pink portion. Light pink portion. Stripes. How many stripes are there? 5. Dabbing is absolutely necessary. It is never necessary. Now. I think necessary is giving it a bit too much credit, no? Is it really? Is it really a necessity? I think I'll do 4. I think for the size I drew the sleeves, 4 looks good. So many arms. Oh, so many arms. It is necessary when you prove a point. What point were you proving then? That Mintmai is pawn? We need a mint dab emote someday. I'll just dab in 3D. Would that work for you guys? Don't put words in my mouth. So you're saying you weren't trying to say that I was pawn? When you said you couldn't spell Mintmai without the pawn and dabbed? Huh? I'm just being sassy for no reason. No, never. First thing you should do in 3D is the dab. Oh gosh. Oh dear. Okay. I low-key think that the white frosting is working better. Let's see. Like this. Sassy Friday. Sassy Friday indeed. Man, it's gonna feel so weird to not have stream after Donothon ends. It's gonna be so strange. At least, like, it's not gonna be like this daily sort of routine that I think about. But that's okay, because we will have more fun. Oh. Let's see. Dun. For real. Yeah, it's like the routine's gonna be... It's gonna be on. I'm gonna be back to... Gonna be even more mint deprived. No, I'll try to be here as much as I can be. But I'll be cooking up some stuff in the background. Okay, see, I think the icing looks so much better now. Like that kind of looks like icing, no? With the shadow. I'm thinking I could make it chocolate flavored too. Let me see which I prefer. Oh! I kind of like the thought that there are like chocolate pieces on there. I think it makes the face more clear. Let's go in that direction. And then I can like... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The chocolate looks cute. I got it. There we go. Now it looks all yummy. Yippee. Happy. Looks so edible. Alright, good. That's what I wanted. I wanted edibility. Edibility. Okay, now all that's left is the white. All that's left is the white part of the sleeves here. And I've colored this before, so. Just this part. The little petals. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and then grab this. I wonder what pen, what pen is being used for some of this, because it's such a nice pan. Digital brush, although I think it's probably in Clip Studio. Okay. Nice. Now I just have to grab this color. Do some triangles. Hello, I've arrived to see if the bread is cooking or if it's being cooked. It's cooking! It's cooking. Gonna be even more parasocial and clingy. You're saying that if there's less Mintmai streams, you're gonna be more like that? Amazing. Yes. Oh boy. Do. God, I wish that was me instead. Hi, Derpy. Kyle's being silly. Nothing new there, though. Nothing new there. That you were more parasocial with me. Yeah, see? Derpy's like Kyle. I've been right here this entire time. Why won't you look at me? Ah, right. See, Kyle's going around and rizzing up everyone on the block. I see. How long's the list now, eh, Kyle? Look at me, Kyle senpai. Sorry, I'm taking. We know. Moji would be the kind of person who would open his wallet. There's a picture of Mio in there, and he's like, "Look at my beautiful girlfriend. Isn't she so beautiful? Isn't she so beautiful? Look at my streamer. I'm so normal about her." So if you're like, "Sorry, I'm taken," it's like, we know. where we will not overstep. We'll not overstep the spot that is taken by the one and only. So true. I mean, real question. Do you have a picture of her in your wallet? Because low-key, you should get on that. Just kidding. Hi Osborne, here to lurk and enjoy the art. Thank you so much for lurking. I think I can stream for about another hour today because we're gonna go ahead and celebrate my friend's birthday with her birthday debut stream. It's super exciting. Super, super exciting. My phone keyboard is my Oshi Chibi Mintmai. Your phone? Oh, your phone keychain? Your phone keyboard. I'm now a keyboard. Birth debut. Exactly. Exactly. I'm sure that you will have a blast. And I will also... You might hear me somewhere in the stream. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna have a little bit of partying. Oh, like a mint themed keyboard? That's awesome. I think you meant a keychain. Keyboard? Eh? Keyboard. Keychain. Okay. I'm going to test this. So, actually no, not yet. I'm not ready to test it yet. Not ready yet. Okay, I'm gonna quickly test this. So no looking, no peeking. No peeking, chat. I need to see what it looks like on top of the model. Okay. I think there's something I gotta fix real quick, but it's a quick fix. It is just partially the saturation of stuff. Okay. Alright. Give me just a second. I'm touching it up. And then here. Yeah, so the saturation of certain things is a little bit off, so I'm just fixing it right now. I'm fixing it right now. Let me see. Okay. Other than that, I think it's looking pretty good. So, I guess there is that extra challenge of drawing the asset without the art being there. Good day, dearest flower friends. Why so formal? I love the hot red balloon. Yeah, isn't it cute? I'm a fan of it as well. I also feel like I need to make the line art thicker around here. So I'm doing that by duplicating it and then having a liquify tool. It's like magic. Thickening the line art more manually. Dun, dun. There we go. Ta-da! Do 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 do. So formal. Thank you for the stitch, Windward. Wow. Good day, most sloped mochi. Good day, Sir Mochi. Hope you're having a dazzling afternoon. Close my eyes for a second there, because I'm silly. Well, that means you just followed my directions. I appreciate that. Much obliged. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Alrighty. Duplicate liquefy may just change my life. Thank you. Oh, hey, you're welcome. I think if you want to change line thickness, you know, you can also make your lines thinner. Obviously do all this testing on a duplicate layer, but there's a liquefy function that does pinching. And so if you do it on your line art layer, the effect it will have is it will pinch your line art. Whoa, look at that. Wow. And you can just keep going until it gets thinner and thinner if you want. But that's a good way to add in some, like if you want, I actually don't use that much personally, but I have seen like manga artists on Twitter like try doing that to add line weight in post. Because once you're already done drawing it, it's like, you can keep adding line weight by thickening lines other places, but what if you just want to thin them somewhere else? Instead of redrawing it, if it's a good line, you can just shrink it a little. All right, there's our Lexus cake. Yippee! Oops, I want my ears on. Okay, so now I'll save this for later. But I think I can go and color the Ashton art that I was working on. For our remaining time. Okay. I'm gonna save this first as a PNG. Turned out so cute. Thank you. Wait, I'll show you guys again. Boom. Show you guys one more time. Yippee! This is actually the first time I've drawn an asset ever. Cause I've drawn myself lots of arm toggles and stuff, but it's the first time I've drawn an asset, so cool stuff. Yippee! Yippee! If I was being extra. You know, I have another idea. But I don't know how it'll work. Because she has bunny ears. But I was like, what if I drew a birthday hat? Birthday hat, birthday cake. I'm thinking. Because now that I'm looking, we actually have, realistically, like 40 minutes left, or half an hour. Hat holes? But you know what a birthday hat looks like? It's like a cone shape. It's like a coned shaped thing. You know what I mean? You're adorable. Thank you, Belle. And nothing. I'm just saying. One hat for each. Okay, but like, if I draw one solid hat, she can import it twice and then put one on each ear, you know? I also had an awesome idea. Hold on. It now looks like my hat. My hat has sunglasses now. Do you guys like it? It's like the flower friend is wearing the sunglasses. That's one cool flower friend. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, welcome in, Belle. Hello, hello. Thank you for the follow. Hat is so versatile. Oh yeah. Belle, if not... Belle, just not Belle, by the way. Like belly... What people call their stomach. Eh? Oh, it's belly. Oh, I see, I see. The E at the end, you read it. Belly. Got it. Nice to meet you. Wait, I have a great idea too. Let me check Discord real quick. For infos. Oops. Oops. Hold on. Yippee. Yippee. Okay, I need to take a little peeks. Oh my gosh, Alex, I saw your keyboard. Ah, I see. I think it's just the spelling. I really like the character Belle, so that's part of it too. Look, there she goes, that girl is so peculiar. Let's see. What if we did do a birthday hat? Let's make this work. Okay. I am going to do little adjustments. Oi! 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 Who goes there? Who goes there? Okay. Sorry for setting up everything secretly again. Alrighty. I'm gonna sketch out a hat that is a good size. A good size birthday hat for the birthday girl. Okay. Cool. Hello. This is what I had imagined. I'm gonna leave it like this. Funny. Rah! Rah! I think I can draw a hat in half an hour. Because I realize we don't have all that much time before it is time, you know? Let's grab this color. Alrighty, party hat, party hat. Okay. Okay. Hat, hat, hat. That looks like a solid hat to me. Looking like a solid hat. Okay. Clean it up a little bit. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to just kind of witness the debut. She's gonna do so great. I'm gonna feel like a proud mom. Even though I didn't really play part in the debut itself, I'm just gonna feel like a proud mom. I think the hat's gotta be pink. Oh, whoops. Not full opacity. Here we go. I'm gonna gradually just keep adding assets until it's time, guys. Yippee! That would be fun. Okay. Grab this one. And returned. Welcome back, Tsuna! Did you see the finished cake? Here it is! This is the finished arms for Lexus. And this is the cake with the flower friend Easter egg. So that she'll know it's for me. From me. Went ahead and had a super early dinner as well. Yippee! It's so cute. Yay! I think I'm gonna export a version that's also like just the plate and the cake. Actually, let me go ahead and make that after I finish drawing the hat. Because then if she wants, she can just place the cake somewhere. The plate's kind of gigantic. Maybe I will make an alternate plate. The plate is gigantic to work with the hands and sort of hide them. But yeah, I'm happy with them. Glad you guys like it too. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Okay. Thank you for the heart. I hope you had a very good early dinner though. I'm gonna have my brunch while watching Lexus debut and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna be eating. You know what? I'm gonna put her on my television. Don't tell her I said that though. I think it'd be fun to cast her to my TV. Because I can watch Twitch on the TV, I just usually don't because, I don't know. Most of the time I just watch on my PC or my phone. But if I'm eating and stuff and it's a debut and everything, I think it'd be fun to just watch on my TV. Was surprisingly hungry this early. Oh. I mean, I guess sometimes when I eat certain things for lunch, I get hungry for dinner like earlier than usual. It's much easier to chat on mobile or PC. Yeah, I think what I do when I watch Twitch on the TV is I actually pull up the stream on my phone. I have the stream open on my phone, but it's like muted or paused, and then I just chat. You know what, Mint? A special stream needs to be watched in a special way. Pulls out VR headset. That sounds like an awesome way to watch a stream though. Unironically, awesome way to watch a stream. You gotta go the extra mile, you know? Pretty sure Crunch has done that before. Oh my gosh. Incredible. Fantastic. He likes his VR. That could be so fun for like 3D streams. If you watch it in VR, is that like extra immersive? You're watching some of the Donothon VODs in VR? Wait, what does that look like? Eh? What does that end up looking like? That sounds really cool though. Dun, dun, dun. It's like a flat screen in the VR space. Okay. But then that way you can make the screen as big as you want it, right? Because it's VR, it's not like, oh, I have to own a TV that is of these specs. Like, you can just expand. You can go like, I only want to see my Oshi's eyeball. Vroom. Although I guess the resolution will get messed up. You just painted your nails and your hands were shaking the entire time, so they look messy. But Otsu nail painting, I bet they look cute though. Painting nails is quite fun. Like VR theater. Okay. At first when we were talking about watching streams in VR, I was like, okay, I'm not sure how much that adds to the experience compared to just watching a stream like on PC and chatting, but I get it now. Cause I thought about it and I was like, you could put the screen far away and then just and it'll be like you're all alone in a private theater watching a stream. That's kind of fantastic. I think that would be so cool for like concert streams. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. It's also comfy. Oh my gosh, you wear your VR headset and lay on your bed. You can lay on your bed and like the screen is always in front of you. What the heck? Okay, I get it. I'm sold. I'm sold. Researching VR right now. No, just kidding. Wow, if I had a VR headset, I'm gonna try that first. That and some Beat Saber. Set the BG to a nice sunset, it's cozy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you guys sold me on this idea. Okay, so I have another question for you guys, a follow-up question. Is it possible, can you chroma key things in VR? Like if you pull up a screen, can you chroma key it so you can remove green screen? Because imagine, you've had VR for years now, Beat Saber is still the only game I've played on it. Sounds fun. That I'm not sure. Cause I'm thinking, what if you pull up a stream and it's like a green screen stream, entirely green screen the whole time with their 3D model. If you put that in VR and chroma key out the green screen and you can set it to whatever background, doesn't that just look like they're in your space? Oh my gosh, technology, guys. Technology, it's so exciting. Whoop whoop. Hip hip hooray. But doesn't that sound sort of powerful? Sort of super epic? Cause it's like you can just, it's like those, literally like those filters. There might be chroma key Chrome extensions, which you can make that possible. Ah, cause I'm like, they could 3D stream. They could 3D stream with, I don't know, I'm imagining they could 3D stream with a background, but then you still see the bounding box, right? Of the screen, like the rectangle. But now, instead, you can get something even more powerful. Okay, let's make a version of the cake. Make a version of the cake without the arms. Don't worry guys, I'm just touching it up. We still have the version with the arms. I'm just making another version. Hi Maikala! Good afternoon, Mintmai Nation! Good afternoon, Maikala! Let's see. Yeah, clean this up. Look at the cute little jelly. It's a little cake. It's like a jelly-like cake, I suppose. Because it's a special day today. It's a birthday. A birthday. Okay. Cake. just a simple little cake. So I guess I could make a version with the plate smaller. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, but maybe I should... Oh, it's okay. I was like, maybe I should do the line art part first. I will use this as the basis for my line art. My hand's so shaky right now. It's because my screen protector is so slippery. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! Almost done. Reference. There we go. So I want to make it similar, but not the exact same to the last plate. A simpler version that's easy to just put on your stream. There you go. I feel like a chef right now, you know? I'm literally cooking a virtual little cake. Just chilling now. Hope you're well too. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Oh, Blue Angels are done. Time to go home. Oh my gosh. Hope you had a fun time at the show. Let's go. So it literally was the Blue Angels. Nice. I wrote her name on the plate. I think that's kind of cute. It's been so long since I've written like good cursive myself. I'm literally plating. I'm plating. Okay, cute. Very cute. Very mindful, very demure. Okay. I think I almost want to write her name on this version of it too. I guess I can re-export all these assets later. can re-export a version. We're just updating it. Updating it to make it even better. Okay. Okay. Make a duplicate of that. Merge. Oh, wait. Merge. Okay. And then here with this version. I fixed the candle to make it look nicer. And I want this again, but over here. How do I make it fit this plate better? Like here, maybe? Liquify tool. Oops. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Yay! Just doing some chores. Oh, that sounds nice though. It always feels, chores don't always feel fun when you're doing them, but I always feel really good after I finish them. And like if I wash some dishes, I'll be like, oh, I feel so accomplished right now. Even if it was something really small. Okay. Ooh. I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. I'm now starting to think of if I wanted to add anything to the hat. Let me see. Add layer. Oh, the stripes are kind of cute. Wait. The stripes are kind of cute. Okay. Bought some replacement storage drives. Need to copy my data over to them, but I've been putting it off because it's such a pain. Oh. Yeah, me and all of my, my digital storage, because so much of my work and all my Vtuber assets, right? They're stored digitally, and I have them backed up somewhere, but I need to reorganize the folders, and I keep putting it off, and then I'm like not available to do it, and then I put it off, and then I'm not available to do it. Never-ending cycle of, oh, I'll clean up my digital stuff later. You know, I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up eventually. I promise, the folders won't look like that forever. And then I just keep allowing it to sit in its current, messier state. It's so bad. Especially because as time goes on, I only accumulate more, especially for VTubing stuff. I only accumulate more art over time. Either I'm making it or it's fan art that I want to archive. So it's really important to save those things, but it's not fun when it piles up all like that. I don't want it to though. It just kind of is. It's turned out that way. I like the stripes. Consensus, I like the stripes. Dun 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 dun. Alrighty. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I will export. I will export those. But right now, let's get back to the Ashton fan art. Since I'm here. And I wanna keep working on this. Although this is quite fun because now I can just color, coloring is fun. I like coloring, so it's a good time. Yeah, it's just, I realize it's kind of fun to have works I can revisit instead of pressuring myself to sort of chew everything off in one go. Ashton's super cute. Oh my gosh, I watched, I don't know if you guys saw the Thinker clip that was edited of Ashton. I watched it and I was just like, oh my gosh. This can't be real. But I was also, you know, it's a clip of all time. The editing is so good. Silly Ashton. When she said the whole like, if satellite not knocked out, then no TV. No TV means no news. I was just like, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. You're onto something here. It was really funny though. The editing, I can't. It was so beautifully edited. Okay. Thinking of how to get these bangs to look nice and soft. Nice and soft. I realized I have to pick colors for some things though. I hadn't chosen any colors for the outfits since I designed them myself. Saryu's art uses really nice pinks. I think my art style tends to have more natural colors, so I made it more of a tannish pink. You know that when it begins with Helvetica Standard, it's gonna be a great clip. So true. I know that font anywhere. Oh, whoops, it's not my color is not correct. Welcome in, Zeus. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I realized I had her wearing gloves, huh? Dang it. Those are gloves, those are gloves. Okay. It's a very adorable drawing. Thank you. I think coloring is the fun part, but I'll finish it slowly. Finish it gradually. OMG, what are we drawing? We're drawing some fan art of Ashton Martin. Earlier I drew some assets for my friend. Some cute VTuber assets, so stuff that you can make your VTuber hold and stuff. And like a little hat. But now I'm just drawing a little bit of this. Little bit, do 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 do. Also, how are you? I'm doing well, Koto. Thank you so much for asking. I'm doing well. Doing swell. I think morning streams are really cozy as well. I'm super excited for my friend's birthday, so I'm looking forward to that. Okaeri Kazu! Okazuri? But welcome back. I'm feeling hungry, but I can eat soon, so it's okay. Because technically I've passed my breakfast and my lunchtime. But because I didn't eat breakfast today, I'm now feeling hungry. I love morning streams, especially since we're heading into fall. Yeah, I tend to do afternoon streams usually, actually. Usually. Oh, but maybe we have different time zones. So I usually start stream around now, and I keep going for like 3, 4, 5 hours. But lately I've been doing a Donothon, which means I've been starting really early and then just going all the way until nighttime. I like the greens in Ashton's eyes. I'm gonna put hearts. I think the hearts are cute. Gonna go ahead and give it a little glow. But yeah, heart highlights. Part of me also wants to give her like a pink eye highlight too. Oh, maybe on top of the line art, like this. Yeah, that feels right. Time zones. Yeah, time zones. But I usually start at this time. A few days a week. And art streams are every Sunday, if you like watching art stuff in particular. Literally right at this time. Literally I start streaming like at this time. So whatever time zone you're in, I start like now. And now. And now. And now. I never noticed that in some of Soryu's, I guess, official Ashton artworks, Ashton's mouth is orangey. Soryu's got such good color theory. I think it's cute, the orangey mouth. Although I'll make it a little less saturated for my style. It's a bit more of a pink orange. Pink orange? Yeah. Your art's so cute. Ah, thank you so much, Nikki. This is fan art, so the color scheme is Ashton Martin, super cute. My personal color scheme is just all orange brown. The munching mouth is so cute. Oh, thank you. I love drawing that expression. I hope to continue this art sometime soon. Okay. Okay. I think Lexus is on starting soon, but we're gonna camp, okay? We're camping. I'm gonna wait. There's a countdown. There's a countdown. Okay. We're gonna arrive there. We're gonna arrive when it starts, okay? Yeah. Okay. Don't tell her. Okay. Don't tell her. But that's the link. You can tab it open in another tab. We're gonna be raiding in. We're gonna be raiding in a little bit. Yeah. Dun-dun-dun. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, 3 minutes, you guys. 3 minutes. Wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring us to the just chatting screen. I'm sorry we didn't get to make much more progress on this, but because I wanna camp and I wanna talk to you guys and we're gonna chill until it's Lexus time. So I'll see you guys on the Just Chatting screen, okay? Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for watching me draw those assets today. Yippee! Okay, we're gonna be getting ready to join Lexus's debut soon TM. So please stick around for the raid today. It's a super special day. It's her birthday. Thank you guys for coming to my stream. I know it was shorter than usual, although I think we're gonna get to a solid 3 hours, I think. You guys take care too. Please stick around to send a happy birthday to Lexus. I'm exporting the assets like right now. And I'm gonna give them to her later because I don't want to distract her while she's doing the the whole VTuber debuting thing. Yeah. 3 hour stream, the average stream time. I think my average stream time is probably like 4 hours, realistically. But I do think that I really like hanging out with you guys. I don't know. So if I could be here for longer, I try to. Custom raid message sounds good to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, soon, you guys, soon. It's so soon. I'm nervous. I'm getting nervous. But like nervous out of excitement. So for the custom raid message, I'm gonna raid out after she has a second to like sort of settle in to stream and everything. I think I like hanging out with you too, IDK. A birthday and debut congrats message. Yeah, okay, so I think we'll do Lexus, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lexus. Debut hype. Okay. Let's do it like this. I know I'm planning in advance, but I don't want to crash in. Well, maybe I should crash in right when she starts. Should we start the raid soon? Should we start it soon? Yippee! Okay. Oh, oops! Don't forget to put a space. Don't forget to put a space. Let me get this set up. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, we can do like this, and then for anyone that does not have my emotes, let me replace them real quick. We're gonna do, oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, where is this emoji? Where's the bunny emoji? Hold up, I can't find a rabbit emoji, you guys. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do hearts. No worries if you don't have my emotes. We're gonna do hearts. Alrighty? Like this. Yeah. Purple is Alexa's color too. Oh yeah, if you have Lexus emotes, be sure to mix those in. Thank you guys so much for watching my stream today. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a 3-4 hour stream as well, because it's gonna be a Arisa's day tomorrow. But for now, your Mintmai rocket is blasting off again. Wait, let me start the raid first. Hold on. I was too excited to hop out for Lexus. Oh. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for lurking. Slash raid. Lexus. Guys, it's fine. I'm like nervous for her. But it's because I'm excited. Okay, please come for the raid. Yippee! Bye guys! She pawned again? No! Mintmai rocket is blasting off. Oh yeah! Wow. Go wish Lexus a happy birthday. And please stick around until the end of her stream if possible. Because she's really sweet and deserves the world. Okay, I'll land back on the Mintmai moon tomorrow morning expect me around 10 a.m. PST around the same time. And we'll have more fun tomorrow. Yippee!